How to boost your marketing efforts, 5 advertisement ideas. Effective marketing relies on visually compelling materials that capture attention and drive engagement. One of the most impactful tools businesses can use is an advertising banner, whether for online promotions or offline campaigns. Well designed banners help convey messages clearly, reinforce brand identity, and encourage customer action. In this article, we'll explore the importance of banners in advertising, key design principles, and banner ideas for your business success. Read on to learn how to effectively enhance your designs with the images that you can buy online on platforms like Deposit Photos. Why should you use advertising banners? An advertisement banner remains a powerful tool in marketing strategies due to its ability to quickly communicate key messages and promotions. Whether it's a web ad banner displayed on a website or a physical banner for advertisement at an event, banners offer several advantages. Attention-grabbing impact. Strategically placed web ad banners instantly capture viewer focus in high-traffic digital spaces, increasing brand exposure. Budget-friendly reach. Compared to other advertising methods, ad banner design is relatively affordable and it delivers strong results. Versatile marketing tool. These visuals seamlessly fit various platforms, from websites to social media and events like trade shows. Targeted messaging. Custom banners help your business focus on specific promotions, seasonal sales, or brand awareness campaigns to drive brand recognition. Key elements of advertisement banners. To create an effective advertising banner, you must focus on design elements that enhance visibility and engagement. Here are some key factors to consider. Eye-catching design. Captivating ad banner design is imperative for digital marketing success. You can create eye-catching advertising banners with these principles. Use bold color contrasts for attention. Leverage negative space for impact. Incorporate dynamic elements judiciously. Establish a clear visual hierarchy. Apply color theory to evoke emotions. Ensure legible, concise text. Maintain brand consistency. Optimize for various devices. Compelling call to action, CTA. A compelling call to action, CTA, can transform viewers into active participants, driving engagement and conversions. To craft CTAs that resonate with your audience, use action verbs: discover, transform, elevate. Create urgency, limited time offer. Offer value, unlock exclusive insights. Personalize, start your journey. Be specific, download a free guide. Incorporate numbers, join 10,000 plus satisfied customers. Use power words: revolutionary, exclusive, essential. An impactful CTA in your advertising banner can boost click-through rates and increase conversions by 160%. High-quality images. To maintain a professional look, always use high-resolution images. You can sharpen images to enhance clarity and detail. Many businesses purchase images on stock content marketplaces to ensure their banners look polished and visually appealing. To create impactful web ad banners, consider these tips. Choose emotive visuals aligned with brand messaging. Use high-resolution images for crisp display across devices. Incorporate professional stock photos or original photography. Crop strategically to focus on key elements using such tool as Watermarkly. Ensure images complement your call to action. If any distractions or unwanted elements appear, you can easily remove an object from photo to keep the focus on your main subject. Consistent branding. Consistent branding across ad banner designs builds recognition and trust. Furthermore, it can boost your revenue by 10-20%. Create a memorable brand identity with these strategies. Develop a signature color palette reflecting brand personality. Use consistent typography to reinforce visual identity. Incorporate logos strategically without overwhelming design. Align imagery style with brand aesthetic. Maintain a consistent tone in messaging. Optimized size and format. A web ad banner should load quickly and fit seamlessly within digital platforms. Consider these tips. Adapt designs for popular sizes 300 times to 50, 728 times 90, 160 times 600. Ensure responsive layouts for mobile devices. Compress files without sacrificing quality. Use HTML5 for animated banners. Test across browsers and devices. Select images that scale well. Optimize load times for better performance. 5 banner ideas for efficient business promotion. If you're looking for inspiration, here are 5 effective advertisement ideas to enhance your marketing efforts. Promotional discount banners. Highlight limited time offers or seasonal sales with an eye-catching banner that features a strong discount message. Make sure the percentage off or deal is prominently displayed to instantly grab attention, using vibrant color contrasts to emphasize the savings. Implement countdown timers to create urgency and enhance the impact of the message by highlighting discounts with dynamic typography. To further captivate your audience, consider incorporating shoppable YouTube content to bridge visual appeal with interactivity. Product showcase banners. Feature your top-selling products in a visually appealing advertising banner to capture attention and highlight your most popular offerings. Use dynamic product imagery to showcase key features while implementing concise, benefit-focused descriptions that quickly deliver the product's value. Blend lifestyle imagery with product shots to provide context, allowing potential customers to visualize how the product fits into their everyday lives. Event and webinar banners. Use a web ad banner to promote upcoming events, webinars, or product launches, including essential details like the date, time, and registration link. Highlight key speakers or topics to generate interest, and craft clear CTAs, such as "Reserve your spot," to encourage immediate action and drive registrations. For inspiration on planning engaging experiences, check out these creative corporate event ideas that can turn your next campaign into a memorable brand moment. To make registration even easier, you can add a QR code created with a QR code generator by Unicode, so users can register instantly by scanning it with their phones or an online QR code scanner. Testimonial and review banners. Harness social proof with compelling testimonial banners by showcasing authentic customer voices through carefully curated reviews. Balance text with customer photos or product imagery to create a more personal connection. Use star ratings for visual impact and highlight specific benefits mentioned in reviews to reinforce the value of your product or service. Social media engagement banners. Encourage interactions by designing banners for giveaways, contests, or social media campaigns featuring content from UGC creators. Create interactive polls to spark discussions and engage users while showcasing UGC for added authenticity. Also, design shareable infographics with valuable insights to inform and motivate your audience, increasing engagement and brand visibility. Conclusion. Mastering ad banner designs is crucial for marketing success. Use this article's advertisement ideas to enhance your next campaign and drive greater engagement with your audience. Remember to experiment with diverse styles and aesthetics, testing different elements like color schemes, typography, and layouts to see what resonates best with your target audience.
found this video informative and useful. We'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.